Hi, I'm Tom, a professional barista, and I'm here with AO at home. Now today, we're going to be going through how to make an iced coffee. And it doesn't matter which machine you have, because this will apply to all of them. The ingredients you choose kind of comes down to your personal preferences. Ice is going to be the constant. You're always going to need the ice. If you want an iced Americano, then you just need water. If you want a nice latte or frappe or an iced cappuccino, then you need some milk too. In terms of the kind of milk that you can use absolutely anything. You can use dairy, almond, oat, soy, corn, coconut, whatever it is you like to drink in your coffee. And of course, you need your favorite coffee. So the most common way to make an iced coffee will be to start with an espresso. Whether it be a single shot or a double shot, it's entirely your preference. Today, this is really easy because we're using a pod machine. But of course, you make the espresso with whatever you've got at home. So we've got our espresso pouring. And at this point, if you're going to add any kind of sweetener, I would put that in the espresso so it dissolves and it will be mixed through with the milk and the ice. You can add an unflavoured sugar syrup, or of course you can add any sort of flavoured syrup you like. Honey works really, really well. Golden syrup, maple syrup, yeah, that's the good stuff. I've now got my espresso. I've gone for a double shot here. I want to get the ice in my cup. Add in my milk or water if you're doing an iced Americano. Remember, the more milk or the more water you add, the less coffee taste you'll get. And simply pour it on in. And there we have the simple yet delicious iced latte. If you want that extra caffeine kick and you don't want it to get too watery once the ice cubes are diluted, watch this. If you brew a normal cup of coffee, pour it into an ice tray like this and freeze it, you can add those into your drink for that extra little caffeine kick. Oh yeah, that hits the spot.